Hello students, welcome to the video class on Thermal Engineering Lab by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, TKM College of Engineering. Through this video, we will be showing you how to find the Stefan-Boltzmann constant through an experimental setup. So for seeing it, the aim of this experiment is to determine the Stefan-Boltzmann constant and compare it with the predicted value. Experimental setup. The main part of this experimental setup is the red pot shown here. Inside it, there is a hollow hemispherical copper vessel. We have provision to place a black body, that is the test plate, here at the bottom. Its diameter is 2 centimeters. This stand helps us to raise and lower the test plate in position. Hot water from the heater is allowed to flow through the top of the copper hemisphere. A steady flow is maintained by adjusting flow control valve as shown. The heat energy received by the copper vessel from the hot water is received at the test plate through radiation. Four thermocouples, namely T1, T2, T3 and T4, are dependent to measure the temperature of the copper hemisphere, and the thermocouple T5 for measuring the temperature of the test plate. With that, these are the main parts of this apparatus: a water heater, temperature display, test plate, copper hemisphere, and stopwatch. Procedure: allow hot water from the heater to flow through the top of the copper hemisphere. Adjust the flow control valve to maintain a small steady rate of water flow so that the temperature does not vary. Place the test plate on top of this bake-like stick firmly inside the hemisphere. Record the surface temperatures of the copper hemisphere displayed by the thermocouples T1, T2, T3 and T4, and that of the test plate shown by the thermocouple T5 at regular intervals. Continue tabulating these readings until steady state is reached. Now, we need to plot a time temperature graph. For that, the first thing to do is to place the temperature selector switch on T5 for displaying the temperature of the test plate. Then, lower the bake-like stick and touch the test plate slowly. You will see a rapid reduction in temperature of the test plate. Then, reinsert the test plate into the copper hemisphere. Simultaneously, keep a count on time using a stopwatch. Record the cumulative time taken for every 1 degree Celsius rise of temperature of the test plate until it reaches steady state. Use the tabulated time temperature values to draw a graph as shown. Find the slope of this graph. With this, we have collected all the values for calculating the Stefan-Boltzmann constant. Now, turn off the heater and the valves, and finally switch off the power supply. Thank you.